Hello, I'm Bryce Tubbs. I believe that generosity begets rich blessings. Okay? So, whatever you're putting out into, just the world and everything is going to be coming back to you. Okay? Very, very, very important. The richest people that I know, I'm just going to tell you a story. So, back when I didn't have a lot of money, I would be walking around, I live in a place called Ann Arbor, and the people on the street would be like, hey, can I have some money? So back when I didn't have any money, I was like, God, no, sorry, I don't have any cash to give you, or I don't have any money, or sorry, no thanks. But then I started noticing that the people who had the most money were the people who were constantly like letting money flow away from them. Here you go, Mr. Stranger. Have a great day. Here you go. Here's an extra tip. Here's $100 tip. And it's like, well, if you're giving that $100 tip away all the time, aren't you going to run out of money? No. The more I give, the more I receive. And I was like, wow. And it just kind of clicked for me, right? So I can't really go into that in this video. Maybe in a future video or inside of my LinkedIn group, I can give you guys a little bit more, in-depth training about how to actually utilize this principle of being generous to actually get more for your life. Okay, great for if you're trying to get goals, if you're trying to get more money, if you're trying to improve your life, you're trying to get raises. But again, I'll have to show that to you inside of my free group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. It's going to be a link in the description below. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Talk to you soon and see you later.